What's going on, guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be unboxing the Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Portable Speaker. Now, this thing looks awesome. I do want to thank Anker for sending us this because it's really not that cheap. It's $100. If you guys end up liking it, I'll throw a link in both the description and comments where you can learn more about it. But, let's get this thing out of the box. Really excited. Going to open it up from the top here and, see what we got. Now, the stock photos of this thing look amazing. I can't wait to, hear what it sounds like. Looks like we got a little pamphlet here, probably a little instruction manual. Just going to throw that to the side. And then, of course, we've got, little charger. But let's get this out of the box so we can take a look at it. Now, it's been a while since I've, had a new speaker. So hopefully this thing is as good as it looks and sounds amazing because, it could definitely use one. All right, so let's get it out of here. Packaged very nicely. Let's get out of this wrapping. Now this one has a handle on it, which is pretty cool. So it's labeled as an outdoor speaker, but honestly, you could use this in your house, probably in a workout room, which is what I'm gonna do. But dang, this thing looks nice, guys. All right, so it's got some it's supposed to have some really good bass. Now, the one thing about this speaker, and I didn't really know that Anker had an app, but they have an app that you have to download in order to, I don't know if you need it in order to get it going, but there is a Soundcore app that we're going to open up here in just a second. You can see the back. That's where you plug it in. But, the design on this thing is really nice. It's got some weight to it, too. It's not, super heavy, but it feels, really well made. So, obviously, if you're going to spend $100, you want to know you're getting something good. All right, let's turn this thing on and let's, get it connected because I really want to just hear the sound on it because, you got to have obviously good sound on a good looking speaker, so hopefully we do. Okay, so I already downloaded this Soundcore app. It's going to be the first time I'm using it. It had a bunch of good reviews on it. Just wanted to point that out. I think it was a ton of good reviews. And I think I've got my Bluetooth on. I just got to check that real quick. Okay, looks like I don't, so we got to connect to the speaker. All right, cool, we're connected. All right, I do want to open up the app, though. All right, let's check this out. Very cool. All right, the sound on this thing is amazing. It looks like they've got an equalizer option within the app too. I'm gonna check that out here. Very impressive for sure. All right, let's take a look at the equalizer thing. All right, so it looks like they got a few different options in here if you wanna mess around with the sound. This isn't exactly my expertise, but it is cool that they have an option like this within the app where you can kind of maneuver it around. All right, let's check that out. I'll tell you what, guys, this thing is awesome. Honestly, really cool. I didn't honestly know what to expect, but not only does it look nice, but the sound on it is really good. Really good sound quality. It's very loud. Yeah, man, I can't wait to start using this, for probably working out in my house. Some other specs on it, though, I forgot to mention. It does have a IPX7 waterproof rating, so it is waterproof, and then it gets 24 hours playback time before needing to charge it. And the thing is awesome. All right, so if you want to, like I said, learn more about it or check it out, I'll throw some resource links in both the description and comments. Also, if you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.